Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. Ole Gunnar set to be sacked as Manchester United manager after Watford defeat. Ole had admitted he was embarrassed after his team's fifth defeat in the last 7 Premier League games. Ole Gunnar is to be sacked as Manchester United manager according to the widespread reports on Saturday following a humiliating 4-1 defeat at Watford. Ole admitted he was embarrassed after his team's fifth defeat in the last 7 Premier League games. The Guardian and the Manchester Evening News reported that the result of an emergency board meeting called after the Watford defeat was to bring the Norwegian 3-year spell in charge at Old Trafford to an end. Ole signed a new 3-year contract in July and will reportedly be handed a 7.5 million compensation package. The club stuck by Ole during the recent international break despite humiliating home defeats to Liverpool and Manchester City. But worse was to come at Vicarage Road as the struggling Hornets could afford to miss a first half penalty twice and still run out of comfortable winners. Ole has managed to ride out the storm during previous poor runs since taking charge in 2018. But Manchester United's latest slide comes after the heavy pre-season investment on Cristiano Ronaldo, Jadon Sancho and Rafael Varane that were expected to turn the team into title winners for the first time since 2013. Financial result released this week for the first quarter of the season showed United's wage bill has risen 23%. However, that has not been rewarded on the field as the Red Devils find themselves 12 points adrift of Premier League leaders Chelsea down in 7th and out of the League Cup. Much more was expected after steady progress during Ole's first 2 full seasons in charge. He secured back-to-back top 4 finishes in the Premier League for the first time since the club decline began with Sir Alex Ferguson's retirement as manager in 2013. However, Ole, who famously scored United's winning goal in the 1999 Champions League final against Bayern Munich, has failed to win a trophy since his return to the club. His legendary status as Manchester United player meant the 48-year-old retained the support of fans even as result went downhill in recent months. But even they began to turn on him on Saturday as he was booed while holding his hand up in apology. Former Real Madrid boss Zinedine Zidane, Leicester manager Brendan Rodgers and Ajax coach Erik ten Hag favorites to be the Ole's successor.